Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And no, this isn't a regular rug. This is actually a litter rug from Lovewag. And let me tell you why I am obsessed with it.
My litter area is in a very specific spot in my laundry room. So I am always desperate to have the litter staying in one spot and not traveling about the room so that I accidentally drop my clean laundry on it. I no longer have that issue because of these incredible rugs from Lovewag. This is a textured surface, so it catches the stray bits of litter and it has a great non-slip backing and keeps it in place. They are machine washable, which is huge, and I love that it comes in a two-pack because you can throw one in the washer and put the other one out, and you never have to worry about your floor being full of litter again.
I love that my cat litter area is no longer boring or full of litter everywhere. This rug is absolutely perfect, pun intended, and that's my point of view.